Good morning, guys. For phonics this week, we are still going to be talking about diagraphs. So just a little review of last week. A diagraph is when we have two letters next to each other that make a brand new sound. So last week we had talked about the diagraph sh, which was sh. Sh makes sh. And we talked about the diagraph th. Th makes th, like thump, where your tongue goes between your teeth. So this week we are going to start off the week by talking about the diagraph ch. Ch makes ch. And so we're not going to make the letter sounds for C and H. It's not going to be k. It's going to be a brand new sound, and it's going to make the sound ch. So we have ch-os, and that's chose. Ch-ip makes chip. And ch-or makes chore. Kind of put your teeth together. So I want you guys to try. Can you try to make the ch sound? I want you to pretend you are a train. Choo-choo. It's the sound in choo-choo. Good job. Let's try to read some of these words together. So I want you to look at the pictures, and I want you to try to read the word with me, okay? We have chalk, chick, chin, chili. Have you ever played chess? We have chocolate, champ. That's another word for winner, if you are the champ of something. Chill. He's super cold. He's chill. And we have cheese, chimpanzee, and when you talk to someone, you are chatting. Good job, y'all. So today I want you to open up your packet, and you're going to find the page in the packet that has these 5 pictures. Okay? And then you're going to make the ch sound at the beginning of each word, and then you're going to sound stretch the rest of the word to read it. Sorry. And then when you're all done with that, you're going to think of 10 other words that begin with the sound ch. So that means that first sound you make is going to be ch, like in all of these words. That's the first sound, the beginning sound. So that's our diagraph for today. CH makes ch. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.